Hey ChatGPT, what are the top 5 places to live in the world? Determining the top places to live can vary depending on individual preferences, as different factors like quality of life, safety, employment opportunities, healthcare, education, and cultural amenities may be important to different people. However, based on various global surveys and rankings, here are 5 places often considered among the top places to live in the world. First on our list is Switzerland. Quality of life. Switzerland consistently ranks among the top countries for quality of life. It has a well-developed social welfare system, low crime rates, and a high standard of living. Healthcare. Switzerland is known for its efficient and high-quality healthcare system. The country boasts excellent hospitals, clinics, and medical facilities, ensuring that residents receive top-notch medical care. Education. Swiss education is highly regarded globally, with renowned universities and institutions offering a wide range of educational opportunities. The country places a strong emphasis on quality education at all levels. Safety. Switzerland is recognized for its safety and security. It has low crime rates and strict adherence to law and order, making it a peaceful place to live. Natural beauty. Switzerland's stunning landscapes, including the Swiss Alps, pristine lakes, and charming towns, offer abundant recreational activities such as skiing, hiking, and mountain biking. The second country we have on our list is Canada. Cultural diversity. Canada is celebrated for its multicultural society, welcoming immigrants from all over the world. It fosters an inclusive environment where diversity is celebrated and different cultures coexist harmoniously. Natural beauty. Canada boasts diverse natural landscapes, including the Rocky Mountains, Niagara Falls, and vast national parks. Residents have access to breathtaking scenery and numerous outdoor activities. Healthcare. Canada offers a publicly funded healthcare system known as Medicare, providing access to comprehensive medical services for all citizens and permanent residents. Education. Canadian universities are renowned for their academic excellence and research contributions. The education system emphasizes quality and accessibility, with a strong focus on inclusivity and diversity. Economic opportunities. Canada has a strong and stable economy with diverse sectors, including technology, finance, energy, and natural resources, providing numerous employment opportunities. Moving on to number 3, we have Singapore. Infrastructure. Singapore is known for its world-class infrastructure, including efficient public transportation, modern buildings, and well-maintained roads. It is a compact city-state with well-planned urban development. Safety and cleanliness. Singapore consistently ranks as one of the safest cities in the world, with strict law enforcement and low crime rates. The city-state also places great importance on cleanliness, ensuring well-maintained public spaces. Economy. Singapore has a highly developed and competitive economy, attracting multinational corporations and skilled professionals from various industries. It is a global financial hub and a center for trade and commerce in the Asia-Pacific region. Education. Singapore offers a strong education system with high academic standards. It has world-class universities and schools that consistently produce excellent academic results. Multicultural environment. Singapore is a melting pot of cultures, blending influences from Chinese, Malay, Indian, and Western communities. It offers a diverse culinary scene, vibrant festivals, and a rich cultural heritage. Number 4, we have Australia. Climate and outdoor lifestyle. Australia's pleasant climate and abundant sunshine contribute to an outdoor-centric lifestyle. The country offers beautiful beaches, national parks, and a variety of outdoor recreational activities, such as surfing, hiking, and camping. Multiculturalism. Australia is a multicultural society, welcoming immigrants from around the world. This diversity contributes to a rich cultural tapestry, reflected in the arts, cuisine, and festivals throughout the country. Healthcare. Australia provides a high standard of healthcare through its universal healthcare system called Medicare. This system ensures that residents have access to essential medical services. Education. Australia is home to world-class universities and educational institutions. It attracts international students with its quality education programs and research opportunities. Economic opportunities. Australia has a strong and diverse economy, with sectors such as mining, agriculture, finance, tourism, and technology. Major cities like Sydney and Melbourne offer numerous job opportunities and a vibrant business environment. Last on our list at number 5 is New Zealand. Natural beauty. New Zealand is renowned for its breathtaking natural landscapes, including mountains, fjords, geothermal springs, and pristine beaches. It offers diverse ecosystems, making it a paradise for outdoor enthusiasts. Environmental stewardship. New Zealand places great importance on environmental conservation and sustainability. The country is committed to protecting its natural heritage and has a strong focus on renewable energy. Work-life balance. New Zealand emphasizes a healthy work-life balance, valuing leisure time and family life. The country offers a relaxed pace of life, fostering a sense of well-being and contentment. Healthcare. New Zealand provides accessible and high-quality healthcare services through a publicly funded system. The country has modern hospitals and medical facilities that cater to the needs of its residents. Adventure and recreation. New Zealand offers a wide range of recreational activities, including hiking, skiing, bungee jumping, kayaking, and wildlife encounters. It is a haven for adventure seekers and nature lovers. These additional details provide a deeper understanding of the unique aspects and attractions of each country, making them appealing options for individuals seeking a desirable place to live. Subscribe for more videos like this.